Welcome to IT Media, Standard 5. Chapter 1, Inside a Computer. Lesson Objectives: Hardware and software, important components of CPU, get knowledge about ports. Computer. Computer is a programmable machine which performs arithmetic and logic operations. A computer has mainly two parts: hardware and software. Hardware: the physical parts of a computer that can be seen or touched. Software: software is a set of instructions or data that enables a computer to perform a specific task. Here you can see some examples of softwares. CPU. CPU is known as Central Processing Unit. It is the brain of computer. CPU is divided into three parts: arithmetic and logic unit, control unit, memory unit. Arithmetic and logic unit performs all arithmetic and logical operations. Control unit. It controls and coordinates the activities of all units. Memory unit. The data of each and every program is stored in the memory unit. Here you can see the components inside the CPU: motherboard, RAM, hard disk, microprocessor, SMPS, graphic card, system fan, modem, heat sink, bus cables. Motherboard, the main part of a computer and is also known as the main circuit board. Microprocessor, it is an integrated circuit which incorporates core functions of a computer CPU. RAM, random access memory, the internal memory of the CPU for storing data, program and program results. Two types of RAM are there: DRAM, dynamic random access memory; SRAM, static random access memory. Hard disk. It is a magnetic disk on which you can store computer data. SMPS, switched mode power supply. It is an electronic power supply that supplies required power to all components in a computer. Graphic card. Graphic card allows the computer to send graphical information to a video display device such as monitor. System fan. It helps bring cool air into and blow hot air out of the case. Heat sink. It dissipates the heat from the processor and prevents it from overheating. Modem. modulator or demodulator. It allows a computer to send and receive data. Bus cables. A bus is a digital pathway that connects device and resources. A computer has two main types of bus: system bus and peripheral bus. Next, important computer ports. Serial communication port, used for serial communication that transmits only one bit at a time. PS2 port, developed by IBM. It is used to connect a computer mouse or keyboard to a computer. Parallel port. It is a 25-pin computer interface used to connect printers with a computer. It is also referred to as the Centronics interface. USB port. Universal Serial Bus. USB port allows USB devices to be connected to each other with and transfer digital data over USB cables.